Hi Traillites, welcome back to our final video for Eat Better, Eat Together month. Earlier this month, we were talking about the importance of breakfast, so today I wanted to make an omelette. You're going to need 2 large eggs, half a tablespoon of unsalted butter, a 1/4 cup of shredded mozzarella cheese, salt, pepper, and any fillings you'd like to add. I chose spinach and bell pepper. Beat the eggs and a pinch of salt with a fork until foam appears on the top. Melt the butter in a small, non-stick pan over medium heat on the stovetop. Once the butter begins to bubble, pour in your egg. Once your egg begins to set, use a spatula to pull the edges into the center, then tilt the pan so that the liquid egg fills the space back in. This will help stop the edges from getting overcooked and sticking to the pan. Now it's time to attempt the flip. As you can see, it can be a bit tricky, but that's okay. I'm gonna embrace the chaos and call these ones scrambled eggs. Add in some veggies and we're good to go. Let's try that one more time. I think my pan is a bit too big, so I added some milk to the eggs to bulk them up. Pour, pull in the edges, let it sit, and...
Wrist movement.
Close enough. It's half an omelette, but it's still an omelette. Now I'll add my veggies and cheese, and fold the omelette in half so that the fillings are between the 2 layers of egg. Cooking doesn't always go according to plan, but with a little creativity and encouragement from a pal, you can almost always make something work, or maybe even 2 things. Thanks for joining me in the kitchen this month, and I hope you enjoy eating better and eating together with the people that you care about. Bye!